And that is why, Mr. Trump, I respectfully decline the position of Health Secretary in your cabinet. Yours sincerely, Scott Dummonk. And send. Hello, I'm Scott Dummonk and I am the Key Account Manager for Belgium, the Netherlands and Luxemburg at Carrington Textiles. Now, as you can see, I'm working from home at the moment, and I'm sure that many of you are doing the same. But nevertheless, I would like to take a few moments of your time to talk to you about a fabric of ours, the Astacon 102. Now, the Astacon 102 is a lightweight polyester fabric that is made with a carbon-containing antistatic thread that has been woven in a 5x5 millimeter grid. Now, this fabric was first developed for use in the electronics industry and clean rooms and pharmaceutical clean rooms, that kind of environment. But we have also seen that the fabric is used to make surgeon's coats and lab coats, and more recently also mouth masks. Now, this fabric, the Astacon 102, is available in 5 standard shades: light blue, olive, white, dark navy, and also a light grey version of this fabric is available. Standard shades or standard colors are available per full roll. A full roll is approximately 100 meters. But if you need a different special color, then obviously we can also make that for you. Minimum order quantity there is 3,000 meters. Now, I hope this short video has been useful to you. If you would like to contact us or myself, then please follow the link to our website and we will be very happy to help you further. Now, everybody, stay healthy and stay safe. Bye-bye.